Okay, hey guys. Today I'm going to be opening up these mesh squeeze balls to see if there's like slime inside of them, because like everyone's like cutting them open and stuff. So I'm just gonna. And these are really cool, guys. They have like ooh, yeah. My dad does not like the texture of these, so. Let's cut this netting stuff first. That's the netting stuff. We don't need this net stuff. Okay, we're really gonna need to actually cut this. Oh man, I thought it would tear off. But hopefully it will be worth it. It will be good slime. So right now I'm just cutting the net, nothing interesting, you're not missing anything. Alright guys, so we got the ball right here. This is what it is. So let's cut it open. Whoa, it's actually really good slime. Yes, I'm so glad we bought 2 of these. They were only $1 at Five Below, guys. This is like actually good slime, guys. Like no joke. Alright, let's cut this open. This thing open more. This is actually good. Just turn it inside out. And all of this pink slime. Oh, I should have got a different color, but that's okay. That's a lot from 1 ball, and I got 2. Okay, well, let's open the second one then. Let's not wait. Oh, okay. This is, look it, it's like good. Like it's not bad. Okay guys, so now we're going to cut this one. Okay, so, sorry for background noises. That's okay. Oh wow, that was a nice cut. Let's get this out. Here's the ball. Oh, yes, so satisfying. Turn it inside out. All of this slimy ooze, guys, is coming out. Wow. Let's do some, oh, wow. This is amazing slime. This is actually really good. Not what I was expecting. But guys, this is good quality for $2. This was $2, guys. Let me roll my sleeves up. So we cut open these mesh balls things, and there's slime inside of them, and it's really good. It's just kind of weird texture. It's more of a jiggly slime. Yeah. So yeah, these were like mesh balls, and they had nets and slime inside of them. You know the texture that Dad doesn't like? You'd squeeze them and it would look like the slime. It would change color, but my sister's poking it. Isn't that cool? Isn't that nice? These were only $1 each, and we got 2 of them, so it was only $2. $2. So next time we go to Five Below, we should definitely get a good color, because this pink isn't the best choice of mine, because I don't like pink all that much. What are these little beads things? Okay, alrighty guys. So nice. Every time you see those mesh balls, guys, and they're cheap, buy them and cut them up, and you get good slime. So, lesson learned, everybody. Stay freezy.